And under this unit, we have two subunits. That is, first unit, which we have already discussed in the last class, that is planning meal for the family. And in subunit 2, we have way to ensure good health for the family. And even in this unit, last class, we have already discussed about water safety and important role of food hygiene at home level. So today we're going to discuss about food adulteration. Aduna ngasi aikoigi unit 2 sida nutrition for self and family haibasida aikoina last class ta akoina discuss tawkriba mayam se it is only about being good health. Akoina chariba thakriba mayam se akoi hakchang phaningai kamaina phagani kamain tawraga akoi safe food chagani kamain tawraga akoi balanced diet puba ngamgani haibagi matangda we have already discussed. Aduga ngasi di opposite to that, like nahan makai akoina tak ise adu chara taradi akwai hakchang phagani ngasi sina what if akoina chariba pot to akwai hakchang duda phattaba pura taradi, or if we are consuming poison food kamain tawgani dudi akwai ngonda health hazard mayam thokpi. That's why we're going to discuss about what is adulteration haiba matangda akoina discuss tawgani. Before coming to the main topic, food adulteration ki definition yengsi, it is an act of adding or mixing of pure quality, inferior, harmful, substandard, useless or unnecessary substance to the food. Food adulteration haibase akoina chariba pot tuda lataba pot ama hapchilapa or substandard ama or quality low oiba latardi lauthokpa or hapchinba ama aduga aduduna akoi hakchangda asokpa pir tardi, that is called food adulteration. So in short, it is any substance added to the food items to reduce its quality. Quality hanta halaga magi quantity hengalakpa. Adudo akoina adulteration or food adulteration hai. So let's see types of adulteration. Adude akoina adulteration se magi makhan leye. Intentional adulteration haibama, incidental adulteration haibama, aduga metallic adulteration haibama. Aduna akoina sida mainly we're going to focus in two, that is intentional adulteration haiba amaga incidental adulteration. Intentional hai tardi nang na tauge khangna phattaba pot to akoina chariba pot to da hapchinba. That is mainly practice asise kanana tauge hamtamda lalonba sing yonba sing na akoigi consumer sida leigadaba mi sida moina full tawraga lataba pot to hapchilakpa. That is example da stone kumba cheng da nung maru latardi phattaba pot mayam hapchilakpa. Adu very common example sangom da ising hapchilakpa kumba. That is khangna magi profit ki damakta mana magi gain ki damakta tawbudo, that is called intentional adulteration. Aduga incidental adulteration hairaga nangna khangdaraga tawge hanadi tawdaba adubu shoi khraba kamai shoi ba haiba matamda accidental oibi during harvesting, storing, latardi transportation, latardi marketing tawba matamda nangna checksin hawdabagi phajana thamhawdabadagi or akoina phajana senghawdabadagi pumrakpa latardi contaminate tawba latardi tin jaba sikumba mayam sina akoina incidental adulteration hai. Metallic adulteration se kuzikandi yamna amuga su this type of adulteration is coming up akoigi polluted oirabanina akoigi fertilizer pesticide mayam sizinlakpa matamda karidawre akoigi soil sida already contaminated with those arsenic, leads kumba, pesticide residue kumba, aduga industry mayam chawkhalaba matung ina moigi water drainage ta or akoigi river ponds mayam affect torakpaduna akoina farming tawba matamda adugi hauriba pot to da magi lead latardi arsenic kumba latardi any tin mayam khangde adukumba changbado, that is called metallic adulteration. Adudi why we are doing adulteration? Karigi damakta adulteration thokpano. What are the reason and causes of adulteration? Yengsi high demand. High demand haibase kuzik. Akwese we are one of the most populated country amani. Mi sing yambani na kaidoge. Akwegi pothok se puthok pangamdaba matamda. What happened? Demand do hengalakpani na. Demand do fulfill tawnabagi damakta adulterate or inferior pot ama hapchilakpa ngasai intentional adulteration haibagi maram oiraga demand fulfill tawninga hotnarani aduga lowering the cost of product to compete with the market ta pusinaba matamda competitions mayam lakpa matamda pot to honga tardi mayam leire adugi one reason amana magi profit ki damakta aduga low affordation by the people haiba matamda aikoigi we are living in a developing country akoi India se still developing country oiribanina mayam se quality pama tarasu maman tangbanina leiba ngamde anamba aikoina kari we opt for a cheaper or low cost product akoina low cost later di hongba pot se thiye adugi one reason ama aduga lack of trained men si education leitabagi or train phajana tawhodabagi magi processing technique kumba outdated kumba method sinaba sigumba reason aduga one important is we are not aware of it as effect magi effect khangdaba phau layeba that is the reason or causes of adulteration adude aikoigi adulteration se magi causes mayam khangre duidi akoi India government sina ka issue take up tawdara tawe that is Prevention of Food Adulteration Act 1954 asigi bill se akoi gi parliament da pass tawkhre but it came into force on 1st June 1955 ta aduga asigi Food Adulteration gi act manung sida there will be two precise word that is adulterant haiba maga adulterated haiba maga adulterant hai taradi yansinnaga tawba pot to that is for example sangomda ising hapraga ising do that becomes a adulterant aduga ising duga sangom duga yanara taradi that is already an adulterated aduna sigi terms ani se khoi thengnagani aduga according to this act it prohibit manufactures sales and distributions of not only adulterated food but also contaminated with microbes toxicants and misbranded foods mayam asisu moina yengsingani okay aduga according to this act food amase kamaina adulterate haina khangani khoina if it is not up to the standard moina standard pibado yobangam da tardi that also adulteration aduga other substance which affect the quality of the substance inferior or cheap substance used as substitute then substance has been wholly or partly abstracted product has been prepared packed or kept under unsanitary conditions aduga poisonous or other ingredient which render its contents injurious to our health then prohibited preservative haibadi akoina preservative mayam chemicals mayam hapchilakpado hen na hapyai what na hapyai adugumbado henjila tarsu that becomes adulteration aduga magi quality and purity level se handa tardi standard value do yoda tardi that also become food adulteration asi reasons mayam se akoina we will consider that one food substance is adulterated then how we are going to taste kamaina khangani khoigi chariba pot se adulterated no latar taradi akoigi hakchang da kari asi charaga kamaina tawbani akoi kamaina simple taste to check our food adulteration mathang yengsi first cereals and pulses se akoigi main staple food ama oye adubo akoina cheng hawai sida karina mainly adulterate tawge hamtamda nung macha latardi lengoi macha latardi straw gumba latardi phattaba damaged grain happa si gumba se akoina mapan lamdagi purakpa matamda akoina yamna haina riba super fine ka haiba cheng sida you will find so many stones small petals azu mayam thenge that is one of adulterant ne basijin adu akoi kamaina dictate tawgani kamaina analyze tawgani it can be examined through visually akoina mik na yengraga akoina visualize tawbi yai aduga rice maida si kumbana sometimes they add even boric acid akoina boric acid se taste tawge hai tardi we are going to take a small amount of sample in water then akoina drop of HCl hapkani that is sulfuric acid hapraga adu do akoina turmeric pepper strip dip tawba matamda if it is turned red then it is confirmed the presence of boric acid aduga pulses tana either metallic yellow latardi lead chromat asisu akoina 5 gram of pulses are taken in 5 ml of water aduga do the few drops of sulfuric acid amuk hapkani aduga kari shake tawba matungda pink color turn tawra tardi it indicate the presence of lead chromat so again khoihi da yengse if we want to know akhoi khoihi se mainly it is adulterated with sugar syrups sumaina akhoi market ta akhoi na khoihi se senge sengde kamaina khangani akhoi na we are going to take a drop of honey in a water aduga pure oiba honey oi tardi it will sink in the bottom adubu sengdaba khoihi oira taradi it will disperse in the water and again we can take one method cotton do lauraga aikoina mai thaba matamda makhonda crack crack toba sparkling tho ataradi it is already adulterated with sugar syrup. Then for black pepper, papaya seeds, adugumba su hapne aduga coconut oil dana other minerals oil like akoina coconut oil se hek leiraga akoina fridge ta hapa matamda solidify togani. But if the coconut oil is not pure, if another mineral oil is added, madi solidify suk tau tore. Aduga akoina sugar se toina togan ba se chalk powder or sometimes washing soda mine su hape aduga chalk powder dudi we can take it in the water and stir it wow raga mot pata tardi already additions of chalk powder. If not akoina vinegar la tardi sulfuric acid hapraga akoina ising duda hapa matamda akoina sprite ki ising gi type ta bubble macha macha tho tardi that is indication of washing soda or chalk powder. Aduga coriander ga cumin dana soda kumba admoina adumain hape. Then again corn flour, rice, a chalk powder. The same procedure we can do it for dictation of sugar. Then sangom dana ay nangasay haibado ising hapa. We can use a simple instrument that is called lactometer. Ado su season na biyay adu later tardi yumda akoina we are going to take a drop of milk and pour it in a glass seat. Akoina smaina slant tawa matamda if trail leaf tawa taradi adudo sangom do shenge adubu mami taramda taradi it indicate presence of water. Aduga chamana dana iron filling la tardi use tea leaf kumba aduga coffee powder dana tamarind seed powder. Then again chicory powder sigumba sinne aduga tomato ketchup dana angangba machu hapchinlakpa gumba. So if we want to taste a tomato ketchup se akoina glass of water da lauraga happa matamda color yaw tardi thuna disperse tawraga machu do ngangrakani adubu tomato ketchup oi taradi disperse thuna tawroi aduga color su yamna thokroi. Then again chili powder it is generally adulterated with brick powder or brownish red color sumaina kamaina dictate tawgani akoina chili pure chili powder di ising da thuna dissolve tawroi adubu atopadi thuna dissolve tawgani aduga machu color ama pirakani. Then akhoi kuzi adulteration matang adulterant mayam kamaina dictate tawgani gi matang da yengkhre adudi what are the effect of food adulteration on our health akhoi gi human health da kari health hazard pi ge ham matamda stomach problem thok pi or digestion disorder, diarrhea oi bi, vomiting thok pi, food poisoning oi bi, skin allergy oi bi, liver problem lei bi, even cancer na bi. Aduga aikoina yam cheksin ga dobana aikoina chamana use chamana se magi health hazard se liver disorder leire. Aduga sangom dana if the water unhygienic water or starch is added amuga su stomach disorder lei bi. Edible oil da unedible oil hapchila tardi carcinogenic that means cancer na bi. Turmeric powder da machu atopa hapchila tardi liver disorder lai. These are some of the general health hazard due to contaminations of adulterated food. Then let's see some of the adulterants that are present in food, that is arginine seed. Arginine seed se kuzik picture da upado Mexicans yellow poppy hai si se wal oina hawe atopa lamda asigi maru se hangam maru gi type ta yam kupna oibanina ma se na kai dauge they are mainly used as an adulterant for mustard seed ka mustard oil gi tamakta moi se maru se seasonae aduga magi su same ma su thau yam thokpani na magi thau da su adulterant oina seasonae aduga ma se if we consume more kari karamba laina thokpi ai beriberi, then gastrointestinal disturbance, fever, rashes, swelling feet, leg, aduga enlargement of liver, adu cancer, even sometimes cardiac arrest sigumba mayam thoe. Then next we have this kasari dal or lettuce. As you say, it is already banned by Government of India in 1961. Hanadi, this dal was widely cultivated in Madhya Pradesh ka West Bengal da aduga moigi staple crop oina sizinarami. Adubu in long run what happened is that mage si kuina charakpa kuina consume tawrakpa matamda Canada affect tauge ham tamda nupa da hena affect tauba, that is from 5 years to 45 years manung sida affect taurae kamaina taurake ham tamda first time moigi knee joint sida narakpa aduga ankle da narakpa adu mathakta stiffness thorakpa aduga amuga in long run kon tharakpa aduga moina adum chahi yam khalakma matamda yambe haba ada mature oiba matamda what happened paralyzed tawe aduna it is already banned 1961 da ban tawkhre but still kare atopa lamda like in Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh asigumbadadi moina tharaga cattle feed oina supize aduga adulteration like pulses da hawai marak tu da moi se yansinaraga moina market ta thadoe akoina masur dal black gram sigumbada moina adulterant oina sizine. Then we have this metalni yellow. Asi se mineral color amani already prohibited. Asi su loin ma ban tokre. Adubu still moi se adulterant oina karida sinage ham tamda hawai machu phaza hanga toba ahar dal gumba matam machu yam phaza hanba aduga akoina sweets gumba saba matamda jalebi laddu si gumba da su machu yam phaza ninga moi se hapsin aduga magi health hazard sina cancer nabi ai aduga abnormality in eyes, then skin, then lungs and bone, then even reproductive organs mayam soksilakpa aduga pregnant woman da namagi fetus ta abnormality dokpa aduga mental retardation, then anemia, then even accumulation of lead in body and blood. Adudi si mayam se magi health hazard oire. Adu oi tardi we know that food adulteration se aikoigi hakchang da yamna impact leire adude akoi gi consumer oina akoi chariba leidiba mi singe kari protection pige akoi India government sina there are certain laws which protect consumer rights adudo akoina Food Adulteration Act ngasai ina pankrabado 1954 da aduga masina it came into force on 1955 1st June da si force tawkhre aduga sigi makha sida ISI mark egg mark FPO sigumba mayam leye aduga food standards mayam leye duda Codex Alimentarius asina international food standard amani it give guidelines then codes then it practice contribution to the safety quality and fairness of this international food threats aduga aikoigi Indian conditions na PFA standard ama leire aguduga egg mark standard sina it give the consumer an assurance of quality of food according to the standard. Egg mark se mainly in agriculture produce mayamda aikoigi chamana khangde ghee khangde spices condiments si matamda aikoina egg mark ke standard mark sizinagani aduga ISI sina it guarantee a good quality asikumba mayam se aikoina khangra kanda aikoina pot leibada shu sigi aikoina kuzik logo mayam se check hana tawningai ni. Okay, suppose and next we have this FSSAI or Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. Asidana aikoigi asigi se 2016 da established tawkhrabani by our government aduga si it is under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare aduga si nakari create tawge hamtamda FSSAI have been created for laying down science-based standard for article of food and regulate the manufactures, storage, distribution, sales and import to ensure availability of safe and wholesome food for human consumptions. Aduna FSSAI is one of the biggest food standard akoigi mayam asigi FSSAI manungda X mayam leye moi mayam sina akoigi food and processing aduga food standard mayam regulate tawba aduga just to make sure that whatever we are buying whatever we are consuming are safe for human consumption. And if Koze akoina asigi standard law mayam follow tawda tardi there are some penalties or there are some fine kamai karamba matamda substandard food oira tardi rupees 5 lakh se penalty oina pay tawgani aduga misbranded food na rupees 3 lakhs oina penalty oina pigani misleading advertisement na 10 lakhs smaina pigani aduga food containing extraneous matter dana rupees 1 lakhs aduga penalty for failures to compel with food safety officer false or misleading information dana 3 months of imprison alone or 2 lakhs fine pigani aduga unhygienic processing food tina rupees 1 lakh aduga punishment for unsafe food categories yam khaido e injuries if injuries talk the tarasu 6 months imprisons with 1 lakh fine aduga non grievance injuries tina 1 year imprisons with 3 lakhs fine aduga grievance injuries yam sok kandana 6 years imprisons and 5 lakhs fine aduga asi ana tho ataradi 7 years or life imprisons with 10 lakh fines aduga unhygienic and unsanitary conditions na puthokpa pothok mayam sina 1 lakh rupees pigani aduga license pai daraga food manufacture tawbadana 6 months imprisons and 5 lakhs fine pigani aduga compensations to the consumer siba thokraba consumers mayam do the 5 lakhs rupees pigani adu grievance injuries laibadana 3 lakhs pigani injuries laibadana 1 lakh pigani si mayam gi penalty mayam se akoi gi government na akoi ngonda si gi right se pba that's why in rap cells akoina kai dawgani we have already knows about the health hazard of food adulteration akoina sigumba food chara kanda akoi hakchang da phattaba mayam khoje akoi mayam na discuss tawkhre duna when we want to buy a wholesome or safe food akoina first kai dawgani we have to know the sources kadai digi lake karamba mafam da semge adumaina akoina check tawbirani aduga akoina when we go for a packaged food make sure that we read the label akoi label su papum to e magi expiry date manufacture date aduga ingredients karino nutritional value karino aduga karamba symbol nga sai khoina fasai leibra isi leibra la tadi ek mark le si mayam se khoina check to birani aduga yum da purak tarasu we have to make sure that it is clean, then it is separated, then only then we can cook, then lembaduna chill oiraga thamra la tardi the remaining we can throw. This is how we are going to save our food asmain tawraga akoi safe food consume tawnaba aduga akoi hakchang phanaba gidamakta to ensure that we have a good health for ourselves and for our family. Thank you.